Hello everyone, and welcome back to GES Quick News Broadcast, where we bring you the latest updates on educational developments across Ghana. Today, we have exciting news from the Ghana Education Service, GES, regarding the 2024 recruitment process. The GES has introduced a new self-placement module for the 2024 recruitment to streamline the process and give applicants more control over their placement choices. This module allows qualified applicants to access their appointment letters online, eliminating the need for physical visits to regional offices. Here's how you can access your appointment letter using the self-placement module. Visit the GES Promotions portal at https://www.gespromotions.gov.gh/. Verify your qualifications by entering your college index number to ensure eligibility. 3. Provide accurate details. Enter your phone number and National Teaching Council (NTC) number for verification purposes. 4. Receive OTP. A one-time password, OTP, will be sent to your provided phone number. 5. Enter OTP. Input the OTP received to proceed with the process. 6. Choose your placement. Carefully select your preferred region, district, and school, and submit your choices. 7. Save and print. Save and print out your appointment letter and continue with the remaining processes. This new self-placement module aims to make the recruitment process more efficient and transparent for all applicants. For more details and updates on educational initiatives, stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this information helpful. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead. Bye-bye.